Today we're on the search for the Tyler. He's usually here, so we're all a bit befuddled. No? We've spotted the Tyler, but I don't know what to say. To this, I can only respond, what the fuck? Why does he like to hide in small crevasses? We may never get an answer. The Tyler doesn't seem to be moving.
He's giving you the eye.
I'm going in for a closer look.
I think he's stuck.
He's gonna growl.
Oh my god.
He's scared. He's laughing. He's having a seizure.
He's gonna fart.
He may be stuck.
Would you like help out?
We should get some cattle prods and try and see if he'll move. Courtney?
I have a yoga mat.
A yoga mat. Ah!
He ate it.
Apparently, the Tyler eats yoga mats.
It's highlighted. Hello? Go out!
Courtney, he's dangerous! Ah!
I tried to tranquilize him, but it didn't work. Oh, here we go to chase the yoga mat. Uh-oh. I can find it.
What is his motivation? What is he feeling? We may never know. For now, we will just have to leave it alone.